How to fix Valorant FPS drop easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do, just first just type here game mode, click on it. First enable game mode and then go to Xbox game bar, disable it and go to graphics settings and enable hardware accelerated. After that, before starting your PC, type here advanced advanced system settings and then click on it. Now once you're here, click settings. Here go to advanced performance and you will find settings. Now click adjust for best performance and you can enable anything if you want it, and then just click apply and OK. And I hope that can help you now just to start your PC and try again. Try to launch Valorant and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.